First of all, look at the payment proof. There is currently $4.75 in my PayPal balance. I have earned this amount only by doing surveys and playing games. You can see, I have received this payment from Tango. The payment notification has also come on my email. I had withdrawn $5. After deducting an extra fee of 5%, I have been delivered $4.75. This is a site where people from any country can join and earn money. I have given the sign-up link of this site in the description of the video. I have arrived at the dashboard of the site. The first game is Call of Dragons. The reward for this game is $799, and its popularity score is quite good. As you cross the level of the game, you will be given rewards according to your level. These are the top 3 users today, who have earned the most by playing games. At rank 1 is Jocelyn7980, who is from the United States. He has earned $2,688 by completing just 214 offers. Look at the activity of Jocelyn. Today he has completed one game worth $312. At rank 2 is Mr. Daly. She has earned $428 by completing 179 offers so far. Mr. Daly has completed 4 games today. The reward for the first game is $30. The reward for the second game is $20. This is the same game. The reward is given according to the level. Similarly, another user is Douksky. She is from the Netherlands. She has earned $2,116 by completing just 376 offers. She has completed one game worth $227 today. Another new user is Katorzina. He is from Germany. He joined this site 12 days ago and he has completed 50 offers so far. He has completed 2 games worth $100 today. Zek is a user from Australia, who has earned $321 so far by completing 34 offers. This site is available globally. You can join for free from anywhere. Joining link is in the description. Zek has completed a game worth $190 today. Similarly, there are other users also who are earning good money by completing games and surveys through this site. Apart from the games, this site also gives high amount on surveys. The first high-paying survey is of 15 minutes, whose reward is $9.74. This is the first site worldwide, which gives highest amount of $10 on a single survey. The second survey is of 15 minutes, whose reward is $6.72. This site provides surveys of short length and pays high amount. This site gives you at least 20 surveys daily. New Year slot is running now whose total price is $1,000. If you complete 5 surveys then you can open the New Year slot and win the prize. New Year slot is giving extra bonus of 15% on every survey. As you can see, I got extra bonus of 15% on both my surveys. Today I have completed a survey of Prime survey, whose reward is 95 cents. Before this survey, I have completed 2 surveys of CPX research. The reward of the first survey is $1.42. The reward of the second survey is $1.32. So far I have completed 20 surveys. I have withdrawn 13 times from this site. This is the first time I have withdrawn through PayPal. Earlier I used to withdraw only through cryptocurrency, because the extra fee charged for withdrawal through cryptocurrency is less. On withdrawal through PayPal, an extra fee of 5% has to be paid. The name of the site is Freecash. In Freecash, you can withdraw your earned amount through PayPal, Bitcoin, AirDM, cryptocurrency and bank transfer. Minimum withdrawal in PayPal is $5. Apart from PayPal, Freecash also has many gift cards like Amazon, Visa, Google Pay, Apple etc. Minimum withdrawal in Visa is $5 and maximum withdrawal is $200. Game skins are also available in this site, like CS2, Fortnite. Now let's talk about the sign-up process of this site. I have given its sign-up link in the description of the video. As soon as you click on that link, you will be directed to its sign-up page. In Freecash, you can create an account through email, Google and Facebook. The easiest way to sign up is through Google. As soon as you click on Google, your account will be created. Freecash has paid $50 million to its users so far. There are 3 main ways of earning in Freecash: game, offers and survey. You can earn from 50 cents to $120 by playing games. This is a minimum figure. In fact, you can earn up to $800 by finishing a game. You can earn from $1 to $75 by completing offers. You can earn up to $1 by completing surveys. This is also a minimum figure. In fact, you can be given a survey of up to $10. Freecash offers a very high amount on every offer. This site has an instant cash out system and its minimum withdrawal is $2. This site also gives a daily bonus. Freecash gives more money on playing games. You can earn around $500 in a day by playing games. Freecash has paid $1 million this month. I have not yet found any other GPT site that pays so many dollars to its users in a month. The payment system of Freecash is very fast. As you can see here, live cash out is happening. People from different countries are withdrawing through different payment methods. If you withdraw through stake, then the minimum withdrawal is 25 cents. I have covered each and every topic related to Freecash in this video very well. If you have any kind of doubt in your mind, then comment. Thank you and Happy New Year.